For a bullish continuation, let's take this as our support, and price has already got into the support zone. So let's assume price is already moving in an upward direction here. The current price is at this particular zone here, and you want to get into this particular market. The first candlestick you can use to get into the market is a Doge. Currently, this price just broke above a resistance. So what you need to do is just wait for a bullish candlestick. So once you get this particular bullish candlestick here, you can just go on and place your entry on this particular zone. Put your stop loss below the consolidation of these doji candles and target wherever you want to target as your take profit. And immediately price should begin to move upward in your favor. Now, here is what you need to take note of. There was a resistance here before we had these doji candles. So price actually beats this particular resistance here before we started having this indecision in the market. So price was actually deciding if it should continue upward here or it should reverse down below this particular resistance here. So this green candle here has already indicated that we need to continue the price in the upward direction. The next type of candlestick would be a spinning top. This particular candle here is called a spinning top. The moment you begin to get this type of candlestick, once price breaks out of a major resistance, all you need is to wait for a confirmation. This particular green candle here will be our confirmation, and once you get the confirmation, you can go ahead and take an entry on that particular confirmation, and boom, price should approach your take profit. Once the price gets to your take profit, resist the urge of holding the market for further profits, because price must actually reverse back to this particular zone A and stop you out. So once it gets to your take profits or the next resistance, just exit the market ASAP. To trade the rising tree, you need a strong bullish candle and three falling candles. So here is 1, 2, and we have the third candle just like this. Once you have the third candle, the next candle should be a green bullish candle. So the combination of these three candles over here will give you a rising tree. Once you have this particular green candle here, the next thing is to just place an entry on this particular zone here. Once you get into the market here, put your stop loss below the rising tree and set your take profit here, and the market should continue moving in your direction. Once price gets your take profits, endure the urge of holding price for long. So that will be all about the bullish continuation. To get a bearish continuation, price needs to start moving in the bearish trend, and once price breaks below your previous high like this, and let's assume this is the current price at the moment, and you want to get into the trade, all you need is to just wait for a pattern to show on this particular zone here. So once you get the particular candlestick formation on this particular zone here, expect a bearish confirmation. Okay, so once you get this bearish confirmation just like this, go ahead and get into the trade. So just place your trade immediately after the bearish continuation and put your stop loss above the each of the patterns you get here, and adjust your take profit to wherever you want to use as your take profit. Just flip everything we just did in the bullish continuation, just flip it and you get a bearish continuation in this manner. Now everything remains the same except for a falling tree. For a falling tree, you need a bearish candle, three green candles, and the last candle will be a bearish candle that will be confirming the movement of this particular candles here. And once you get this particular movement, you go ahead and enter the market here. Put your stop loss above this particular formation and set your take profit to wherever you want to set your take profit. So price should continue moving until it gets to your take profit in this manner. If you need further clarification, the best thing is to go to the comment section. That's where you'll be gaining my personal insights and insights of other traders that are actually on the same journey. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. The next video will be covering the best chart patterns you need in order to start analyzing the market.